Buenos días, buenas noches. Aquí está el señor Briggs bringing you the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word brave in Spanish. But before that, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you already subscribed and you're perhaps a teacher and you want to download the printables and lessons, subscribe to my VIP premium membership. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you'll be able to download all the lessons. Excelente. Brave in Spanish is valiente. Valiente. And yes, that's right, it's a V, but most Spanish people pronounce it as a B for Bob. Valiente. Say it again. Valiente. That means brave for both women and males. Valiente. I'm brave. Yo soy valiente. Yo soy valiente. Say it again. Yo soy valiente. Él es valiente. He is brave. Él es valiente. Valiente. There are a few Spanish songs with this title, Valiente. Él es valiente. He is brave, like this fireman here extinguishing this dangerous fire. Valiente. Él es valiente. She is brave. Ella es valiente. Ella es muy valiente. She's very brave. Ella es muy valiente también. She's very brave also. También means also. Alright, let's try valiente using the past tense. Él era valiente. He was brave. Él era valiente. He was brave. I hope that he's still brave though. That takes guts. Él era valiente. Have you ever done anything like this guy here? Flying in the sky, valiente. Ella era valiente. Oh my goodness. Ella era valiente. She was brave. Once again, let's hope that she's still alive and she's still brave. Ella era valiente. There's no way I'd do that. Ever, ever, ever. No way. Ella era valiente. Mr. Briggs is brave, but not for these kind of things. Okay, otro ejemplo. Eres valiente. Are you brave? Eres valiente, like this Russian cosmonaut. When I was a little boy, I wanted to be an astronaut. Can you believe that? I was very valiente. Era valiente. Muy bien. Deletreemos. Let's spell it. B corta A L I E N T E. Valiente. But in here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 firemen. So they are valientes. Plural. That's right. In Spanish, we actually pluralize the adjectives. Valientes. Like you, my dear amigos, all of you are valientes. By the way, I wanted to say thank you so much for subscribing and following my channel. It does help me a lot to continue uploading and producing videos for you. As I mentioned to you, it takes a lot of time and effort, but I love doing it because I'm actually a teacher. My vocation is to teach. I always wanted to be a teacher and I truly enjoy it. But by subscribing, you make it possible for me to continue producing and creating material for you. Once again, please take care and I hope to see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.